Hey, good morning, folks. We are back here at Morningstar to finish up everything. Here's the rack that I said I went ahead and bought so that I can put all this stuff in here. It's going to sit right here in this little cubby right there to give some more space. And the cable that I ordered, that's what I'm going to have going to the computer instead of the extra cable that I had. So we'll switch that out. I'm going to start pulling the cables. I already got my ladder down there to make the holes to run the two HDMI and the Ethernet to the TV and the camera. Get that hooked up, cleaned up. Sanctuary's done. Then I left it in the hallway. I ordered two HDMI cables. So the other HDMI splitter is going to live inside that rack. I have a shelf for that. I'm going to pull back the HDMI cable that's here, drop that down into the rack that I have, then run the two new HDMI cables to Pastor's office in the hallway, and then we should be done. So let me move these amps over, then start pulling cables, cutting the holes, getting them all the way up there, and then we'll focus on the hallway, and then we'll be done. It took longer than I thought. I need to verify the bottom set of mics, but we got everything over here and didn't realize that that was the power on and off switch. So I didn't need this big of a rack. I do have another 2-panel double cover up that. I think I have that in the car. I hope I have that in the car. But what I'm gonna do now is pull the cables, have enough slack over the railing, and then just slowly start pulling the cables down and tacking them down so that I don't have to come back and redo them. So hopefully I have enough Ethernet cable left to get me all the way to the front. I mean, that's the last run I have to do with it. I believe I have enough in here to go all the way down and connect back. Worst case, no, we have enough. I'm just gonna put it that way. So I'm gonna set this up. Like I said, get my drill so that we can drill through each one of those, and you can get the last cables connected, and then get video on both sides, then focus on the TVs. Alright, folks, I'm done inside of here, except for that little corner because my battery died, so I need to get my other battery out of the car. But we got everything pulled up. Obviously, we're getting a signal on both TVs. I just need to turn on the back one, and we're getting an image. I'm tired. I am now getting ready to pull up the old cable that's going to the fellowship hall, pull that up, let that go into the server room, and then replace that cable with a cable that I have that will go to that TV. The hub will live inside the rack, and then hang Pastor's TV and go there. And I think there's another TV they wanted me to move. tired, but we're in the home stretch. We're in the home stretch. All right, folks, we are done. So, as you can see, we got this here. Let's turn on the back TV. Let's go to our input. So, as you can see, we got image there, image in the front. Yay. So, and then we also, I didn't get the one in the hallway, but that was extra. So probably during the training, I'll come back for that. But we got the rack there. I ended up putting some extra here at the bottom. Here we have our, you can't see it, but the HDMI splitter is inside there. We ran the cable here. Instead of changing the cable all the way in the fellowship hall, they made the hole only big enough for that cable, so I couldn't pull it back. So I just left that one connected to the HDMI splitter that's in the sanctuary. Have another one here. Ran another line from the sanctuary to that splitter. I have another cable in the air for wherever that the TV out here needs to go. Then ran another one in here. And here's Pastor's office. We got that one done. I can probably put some conduit here, but I just want to see what they had because I'm running out of time. But we do have that in here. And we already showed the other one that we have in the fellowship hall. I am on E right now. At first I thought I wasn't going to be able to get this TV done. But again, that was the closest outlet. This is where they said they wanted it. Need to see a better way to do that. I would probably recommend for them to get an electrician and move the outlet right behind the TV, but I leave that up to them. Like I said, we have one more TV to hang, which was something new that they asked me to move a TV that they had already in the hallway somewhere. But like I said, about right here, I have another like 40 feet of fiber optic HDMI that's already connected to that. Once I know where it needs to go, and it needs to be close to an outlet, so maybe like right here, all I would need to do is just punch a hole up in the ceiling, drop the cable down, and hang the TV. But I am thoroughly done today. I just need to clean up my mess, and then I think that's about it. We'll be back to do some official training. Was trying to squeeze everything in before I have to play for Mother's Day. They'll at least have the stuff up, do the formal training with them when I get back from Chicago. But again, Morning Star Baptist Church, thank you so much. They're actually right around the corner from Greater Faith AME, right around the corner, literally, and I think that's where they got the recommendation from. But thank you so much for that. Link is down below for all the stuff that we did, and if you ever need any help, now you can go to AJaytheCEO.com/consultations, and we set up Zoom, all that fun stuff to help you with your media ministry. And I need to get my other tools. I didn't want to leave them here. Anyway, folks, this is AJ. Like this type of content, appreciate a like, consider subscribing, hit that bell, that way you get notified when we come out for other videos to help modernize your media ministry. Thanks for watching, folks. This is AJ. Catch you on the next video. Later.